Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw cash from a brokerage like Robinhood with tax awareness step by step clearly. Open your Robinhood app or website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to your account balance. Check that you have sufficient cash available for withdrawal. Click on the transfer option, typically found at the bottom of the screen or in the account menu. Select withdraw from the transfer options. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review your withdrawal amount to ensure it's correct. Keep in mind that withdrawals may take a few days to process. Choose your linked bank account for the transfer. Double-check that the selected bank account is accurate. Click on Confirm to initiate the withdrawal. Be aware of potential tax implications of your investment gains. If you made significant profits, consider setting aside a portion for taxes. Always track your trading activity for tax reporting purposes. Consult a tax professional if you're uncertain about your obligations. Stay informed on the tax laws in your country regarding investment income. Keep records of your transactions for easy reference during tax season. After confirming your withdrawal, monitor your bank account for receipt of funds. Stay updated on any changes to the withdrawal process by checking Robinhood's official resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.